Hi, today I will be teaching the unvoiced TH. To make this sound, first, place the tip of your tongue between the upper and lower teeth, just like this. Secondly, push the air out of your mouth between the tongue and the teeth. You should feel some resistance. The sound produced should sound like this. You should not feel any vibration in doing so. Here are some examples with the words with unvoiced th. First is think. Think. The second one is thought. Thought. The third one is ethics. Ethics. The fourth one is something. Something. The fifth is south. South. Lastly, breath. Breath. Here are some of the sentences with unvoiced th. The first one is, I don't think any of that. I don't think any of that. The second one is, you should follow the business ethics. You should follow the business ethics. The third one is, South Korea is my dream destination. South Korea is my dream destination. That's all. Thank you.